We go to, the decades before we had the Clean Air Act, before we had the Clean Water Act in America. You could have gone to an American city and the air would have been brown. It would have been full of pollution. It would have, again, made you sick. It would have burned your lungs. You would have, you could have gone famously to the city of Cleveland, Ohio, and you would have had the Cuyahoga River on fire, flames literally as the pollutants are burning off. And so it is through science informed policy that we cleaned up there, that we cleaned up the water. And as we now see Trump harness this, basically using a form of populism and bringing together different sectors who all support him for different reasons now, they're able to halt that science. And so, again, we can think about sort of the oil, gas, chemical industry. That's one group of people who they just want to profit, right? So science that shows that pollution makes you sick and climate change is bad, they want to stop it because it gets in the way of their profit. Then you have the other groups that are conspiracy-minded, people who oppose vaccines. And so that's another group that's driven by ideology.